Right now, we are in the early adoption phases of Gen AI for coding. Even though it's been around for several years, it's really just starting to take off. And organizations are most interested in understanding usage to increase adoption. On the open source world, it would be crazy to say, you know what we need to do? We need to figure out to explain to developers why they should use open source. Everyone knows,
Right.
knows that they have to do that. It did not have to. It's why would you reinvent the wheel? We can go to the open source community and use something. And so today the challenge is increasing adoption. We predict that exactly identical, nearly identical, let's call it risk profile will be developed for Gen AI code. So in open source, you have to worry about security risks through CVEs. That is coming for Gen AI code. You have to worry about intellectual property risk. GPL licenses for open source. Here it's copyrightability and so forth. You definitely have to worry about maintainability and keeping it up to date. True for both. And then exit risk, you absolutely, this is a little bit arcane, but if you are selling a software company to a medium or large size investor or acquirer, you have to show your open source provenance. You have to. The SBOM is a huge part of technical due diligence. Actually, that part's already come true. So Sema's first product does technical due diligence, and we built we did SBOMs for years, and then some of our major clients asked us to build a GBOM as well. So if you're getting bought by one of our clients, you will get a GBOM produced for you, and you'll have to talk about it. But we think all the ways that this is the prediction that procurement offices, insurers, investors, all the folks who care about open source provenance, the open source ingredients list, will increasingly care about Gen AI provenance, Gen AI transparency as well.